statue, what's in a name? Today's video is not just about the tallest statue in the country, but also the tallest statue in the world, the Statue of Unity. Before the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue was situated in China, which was a Spring Temple Buddha statue. The height of Statue of Unity is 182 meters and it is based on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and it is called the Statue of Unity because Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel contributed a lot in uniting the, I believe, 552 princely states at that time to form the country which we have today, India. Now, how to reach to Statue of Unity?
It is about 100 kilometers from Baroda and 150 kilometers from Surat. The nearest railway station and airport is in Baroda, but you also have airports in Ahmedabad and Surat. So from Baroda it takes around 1.5 hours to reach to the statue, and from Surat it takes about 2 hours, from Ahmedabad around 4 hours, and to go to the statue, which is in the downstream of Sardar Sarovar Dam. When we went, we were supposed to park our car at the car parking, and then the entry ticket included the bus fee, which was supposed to take us from the parking to the Statue of Unity and then to the Valley of Flower. I believe that has changed now, and you can take your personal vehicle to the Statue of Unity. You can either book the tickets online or you can book on the spot. The timings are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and it is closed on Monday. So you have 3 tickets. One is an express ticket where you don't have to wait in queue. It is for 1,000 rupees. Then you have 350 rupees ticket. You get all the amenities of the express ticket, but you have to wait in queue. And then you have 150 rupees ticket where you don't get to go to the viewing gallery. The entire path is covered, so you'll be protected from both sun and rain, if any. So this is the bus which will take us from the car parking to the statue. The buses are all air conditioned and very comfortable. And this is the first look of the statue from the bus. And now we walk. Over there we have the Statue of Unity sign, then we have the statue, and again the whole walking path is covered. This is the sitting space for the laser light shows which happen in the evening. You also have travelator for the extra comfort, so you can either walk or use the travelator. And now we'll be going to the viewing gallery. The viewing gallery is on the 45th floor and is located around the height of 153 meters inside the statue. Inside the lift you have various tall statues and their heights on one side and how the statue was constructed on the other side of the lift. Finally at the viewing gallery, so this is the water from the dam, and they are constructing boating facility below. It is still in the construction. Yeah, that over there is the dam. We are at the second button from the top of the chest. So the one which we saw was the front side of the viewing gallery, which showcases the dam, and this is at the rear end. So this does not have the dam, this just has the water. The view from this height is spectacular. This is the inside scaffolding of the statue. If you buy the express ticket, you receive a certificate like this. You have escalators to go to the base of the statue. Again, the escalators are for comfort. There are no staircases. Just look at the massive size of that foot. I mean, all the humans near it appear so tiny. There is a lot of detailing done on the structure, from each and every stitch on the chappal to the toenails to every fold in the dhoti. That is Sardar Sarovar Dam. This is the view from the base of the statue. These are beautiful skylights for the lighting in the museum. Now we will be entering the museum. This is the inside of the museum. You have Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's bust on one like the entryway, and just behind that you have a small replica of the statue which we are actually standing in. Here we have a little dome-like structure which represents the different flora and fauna in the area. Now we are going to the AV room. So you have a little screen which explains the backstory of the creation of statue for educational purposes. You have sitting area also here. This is the other end of the beautiful skylight which we saw at the base of the statue. Below we have the construction going on for the artificial lake for boating purpose. Here we are entering the Valley of Flowers, and that over there is Sardar Sarovar Dam. This is a very scenic place with the backdrop of the statue. I mean, you can click many pictures here. And here we also have facility of tent to spend the night in. There is a colorful sign of Valley of Flowers here for the perfect picture backdrop, and well, we click some pictures. We called it a day by some ganne ka ras. You also have a laser light show in the evening, so you can stay for that, and you can also visit the Sardar Sarovar Dam. I hope you liked the video. Do visit the Statue of Unity, and if you're going on weekend, it will be super crowded, so I would advise you to take an express ticket. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.